see the big toenail, yeah? See it there? Bloodshot.
True.
You see? And I lie me, I tell.
The bloodshot for true. Some serious things are going outside there.
Gilbert, wild out the burger.
Street, zinc, billboard, dish, everything I fly around like missile. Mr. One piece of zinc, shave off the whole of my head front. You see that part, yeah? What do you think Kabama give me?
But my body is the first I see much real.
He said, boy, this hurricane will make foreign tornado look like foolishness.
So hold on, one to the girl then.
Me not put them on a minibus and tell them so we have to make a move.
Time like this?
Me not think so.
No, sir. Merkel, you know I'm not the cat 92. It's a palpitate.
Rub it with this. So hold on, only put the girl up on the minibus if the minibus was running.
Well, that's why we put them on it.
Oh, you tell me put them on the minibus if we did our run.
We see a bus park up in front of the yard and we just put them on it.
Hey, and tell them to wait for the driver.
So where the driver, where it was?
It was nearby, in a house.
And the what?
No must have felt like everybody else.
Heartlessy.
So what you expect if we do?
We out to have a view them living on Merkel.
It's clear out of that we will never pick them up though.
In time of disaster, it's every man for himself. A woman too.
Hold on. Here. Water coming!
It look like the roof lifting.
It sounds like a sheet of zinc lifting. Titus, see how a man kneel upon the table residing over your head.
They better stay there reside. Where you should be for?
Water patrol kneel back down the zinc.
So I have to pick for me not throw inside there. If you can't pick up.
Throw you the Titus. Merkel, you them leave in charge of the house, you know. And you should have do it.
Well, if you cannot go up there and kneel down the zinc, you don't come out of the house.
And do that there. Hey, Titus. What? You go and go do it. You lighter than the 2 hours.
Hey, Sleepy, they're not coming blow away, man.
Plus, you're more skillful to tidy.
Hey, put it on the conscience, man. You know, see some toe injury.
Up there,
Hey!
The chances that would have killed me and you make the roof blow off.
So why not send me up there? Eh? Suppose the roof cave in with me. You can't be gonna...
The roof is sturdy. Hey. Go on, move. Let go. You come.
Me now go up there alone.
Come. Oh, you're so afraid of little breeze. Eh? You know, you used to tornado and volcano.
Tornado? The only time you see natural disaster is when cold front licked the other night. Let me go, man. Let me go, man. Let me go. That's Sleepy. You're my friend, you're not Sleepy.
Push him out. Show me. Sleepy. In blow away?
No, man. My right.
Hey! Titus! Be very careful up there! Me and Mr. Johnson said that some of the lard them rotten!
So, Merkel, where the radio say?
Why the radio? The radio say not much, you know. But me hear some people that pass and talk.
Say what?
Some serious things I'm not there, you know, Sleepy. Them said that 2 aeroplanes take off.
In the weather?
Yes.
The pilot, the brave.
Which pilot? No pilot never in them.
Gilbert can fly.
Titus. Titus, blow away. You know, on the rooftop.
Mr. Francis Aki came down.
Hold on, Titus. You refurbished, is it?
See? I think they don't work with no pure shingle, me see.
Shingle!
A little joke me I make, man. Hey, but some breeder roof a blow around up there, see, man.
This you know that we could have fit my house.
Look, come here. Them said that some serious looting going on down by the port. Vandals on the rampage.
Looting. At a time like this.
What an inconsiderate set of people.
You just them said that some people get TV, fridge, stove, video, furnitures.
TV. Video. Hey, I'm on so come. I gotta see where them vandals they up to.
You better press your clothes dry before Mr. Johnson come back. Oi. But I wonder where the one Sleepy gone so long, sir.
I hope him all right.